life simply. My name is Rahel if you're new here, and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I make these simple one bowl breakfast muffins that are perfect to enjoy either for breakfast, or you can also enjoy it as an afternoon snack with some tea. And I like to prepare them on the weekend so that I can just grab and go during the week, or you can even decide to freeze them for a later time, so it's really up to you. And now, without further ado, let's get into the recipe. Start by preparing 1 chia egg. Add to a large mixing bowl 1 tablespoon of chia seeds along with 3 tablespoons of water and put it aside to set for a few minutes. Once it becomes gelatinous, add in a ripe banana and mash it with a fork, and then mix it in with the chia egg. Next, grate 1 zucchini, as well as 2 carrots. Add the shredded zucchini and carrots into the bowl and mix well. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of almond butter or peanut butter. Add in a 1/3 cup of plant-based milk. I'm using oat milk today, and mix everything together. Next, add in 1½ cups of oat flour or any other flour of your choice. Mix until well combined. Then you will add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, along with 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and mix it all together. Finally, I enjoy chopping a 1/4 cup of walnuts and adding it to the bowl, but this is optional. Once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, go ahead and mix it together until well combined. When your batter is ready, line a pan with some oil, add the batter onto the pan, and I personally like to use an ice cream scooper for this. Bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool, serve, and enjoy. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. It really makes my day and helps me out with the algorithm. Also, if this was your first time here, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Let me know in the comments below if you gave these a try, and feel free to share this recipe with whoever you think might enjoy it. I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!